Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, this is the second part of the video where I will tell you that what things were faulty that were creating a problem with the card. So here I have changed the IC TNY 268PN here. The optocoupler PC817. I have changed these two things, and after that it seems like the problem is solved. Now if you have seen my previous video, then the display just goes off after 30 seconds of powering on. Now it is about 4 to 5 minutes the power is on, and the shutdown has not happened, and the temperature of the IC is also seemed normal. So here we have seen that there was a problem with that IC and optocoupler. Now let's check it out by running the motor. So here we are pressing the start button. 3, 2, 1. Here the motor is working, working good, working fine. And since I don't have right now the sensor, U sensor, so I am unable to complete it all. Now that is turned off because we don't have a sensor. So here we have seen that our problem is solved, and now just turn it out again. Till now our video is about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but the system is still on. So here our problem is solved. So this was our today problem, and we have successfully solved this. So in future, if you are repairing your treadmill or any fitness equipment, and if you have any issue with that, you can call me out, you can message me, you can WhatsApp me, or you can email me. I will give you a good response and try to solve your problem. Till my next video, bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.